Tita. Happy birthday. Ingat po kayo palagi. Lolo Amado. And stay good health. I love you po.
Okay, hello! Sa isa sa mga taong napaka-blessed na nakilala ko. Sabi nga, every moment of life is a blessing. So, enjoy your blessing. Maricoy, another year, another gift of life. So, alam ko naman na ikaw ay palagi inspiration sa everyone. So, for good health pa rin para sa inyong dalawa ni Pato. Okay, so that's all. Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2026. Love you.
Happy birthday, Madsedi. Sana mag-retired ka na at ma-enjoy mo ang iyong senior years. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Mads. Bye-bye.
Hi, darling Sen. Bless, happy birthday to you. 62 ka na? Umabot ka na rin sa 62? Ay, senior na talaga tayo. Hindi na may tatago, oy. Happy birthday. Bless ko wish ko sa'yo always good health. Good health lang palagi. Enjoy lang palagi. Gala dito, gala doon habang malakas pa tuhod natin. Kaya lang ang tuhod ko hindi makagendora. Kaya ikaw, enjoy lang ha. Happy birthday uli. Sana masaya ka ngayong 62 mo. Enjoy lang. Okay? Bye. Miss you.
Hi Mars. Happy birthday. Wish you good health. Mwah.
Hello, Senny. Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a good health and long life. Happy birthday to you. Mwah.
Hello, Ate Sen. Happy birthday. Marami pa sanang blessings mula kay Galang ipagkaloob sa'yo. You deserve it dahil matyaga ka at masipag. Maging masaya ka sana sa araw na ito dahil maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Tuloy lang ang pag-abot sa pangarap. More birthdays to come. We miss you. We hope to see you soon. Merry Christmas in advance. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat dyan. Blah, blah, blah.
Hello! Hi Tita! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I wish na mahaba pang buhay nyo. Kahit malayo kami sa inyo, dito pa rin kami sa inyo. Hindi lang kayo makakalimutan. Mahal na mahal namin kayo, Tita. At all families, I'm here lang. Love you. Hi Tita. Happy birthday. I'm here in New Zealand. Kamusta po kayo? Mabati kami ng happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy you. Wish tayo maging malakas pang katawan nyo. Mababang buhay nyo. Kahit magkakalayo tayo, I'm here lang. Miss ko na yung mga banding natin. Hindi na kayo nakakasama. That's life. God bless. I love you, Tita. Wish you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday from
Australia!
Happy birthday and Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Sending you love. Enjoy.